The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Bohol in Region 7 or Central Visayas region. The province of Bohol is a part of the Visayas Island Group in Region 7 or Central Visayas region. It is composed of 1 city, 47 municipalities, and 1,109 barangays. It was founded on July 22, 1854. The land area is 4,820.95 kilometers squared or 1,861.38 square miles. The province of Bohol is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Camotes Sea, Canigao Channel, Bohol Sea, and Cebu Strait. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Bohol in alphabetical order including the number of barangays. The municipality of Albuquerque with 11 barangays, municipality of Alicia with 15 barangays, municipality of Anda with 16 barangays, municipality of Antequera with 21 barangays, municipality of Baclayon with 17 barangays, municipality of Balilihan with 31 barangays, municipality of Batuan with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Bien Unido with 15 barangays. We also have the municipality of Belar with 19 barangays, municipality of Buena Vista with 35 barangays, municipality of Calape with 33 barangays, municipality of Candihay with 21 barangays, municipality of Carmen with 29 barangays, municipality of Katigbian or Katigbian with 22 barangays, municipality of Clarin with 24 barangays, and the municipality of Corelia with 8 barangays. The municipality of Cortes with 14 barangays, municipality of Dagohoy with 15 barangays, municipality of Danao with 17 barangays, municipality of Dawis with 12 barangays, municipality of Demiao with 35 barangays, municipality of Duero with 21 barangays, municipality of Garcia Hernandez with 30 barangays, municipality of Hitafe with 24 barangays. The municipality of Gindulman with 19 barangays, the municipality of Inabanga composed of 50 barangays, municipality of Hagna with 33 barangays, municipality of Lila with 18 barangays, municipality of Loay with 24 barangays, municipality of Lobok with 28 barangays, municipality of Loon with 67 barangays, and the municipality of Mabini with 22 barangays. We also have the municipality of Maribohok with 22 barangays, municipality of Panglao with 10 barangays, municipality of Pilar with 21 barangays, municipality of President Carlos P. Garcia with 23 barangays, municipality of Sagbayan with 24 barangays, municipality of San Isidro with 12 barangays, municipality of San Miguel with 18 barangays, and the municipality of Sevilla with 13 barangays. The municipality of Sikatuna with 10 barangays, the city of Tagbilaran as the provincial capital city with 15 barangays, the municipality of Talibon with 25 barangays, the municipality of Trinidad with 20 barangays, the municipality of Tubigon with 34 barangays, the Municipality of Ubay with 44 barangays, and the Municipality of Valencia with 35 barangays. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.